So hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone from seeing your TikToks. So the first thing you can do is just go open TikTok. So for example, then you record a video, then you click next, and you click everyone can view this post. And here you can choose either only your friends can view this post or only you. If this person is not your friend, they won't be able to see this video, but it's limited, so you cannot block one specific person from seeing your video. Basically, I think the only way you can do that, if you only want to block this specific person, is to go to their profile, click on this arrow on the top right corner, and just click block. And this way you won't be able to see the person's profile and their content, and they won't be able to see your profile and your content. Right, so all in all, this is how to block someone from seeing your TikToks.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.